Giving permission means allowing someone to do something they asked about. The most common ways to give permission are yes, you can, go ahead, and sure. These phrases show approval and encouragement in English conversations. We give permission when allowing someone to do something. We give permission when granting access or approval to someone. We give permission when responding politely to requests. We give permission to encourage action or show consent. You may is formal permission for bosses or strangers. Please feel free to shows polite encouragement. You are welcome to makes people comfortable. By all means gives complete approval formally. Yes, you can answers can I questions directly. Go ahead encourages immediate action. Sure works for friends and casual situations. No problem shows permission with friendly attitude. When someone asks, can I use your phone? Answer yes, you can. When someone asks, can I sit here? Answer yes, you can. When someone asks, may I borrow this? Answer yes, you can. When someone asks, can I help? Answer yes, you can. When someone asks, can I start now? Answer go ahead. When someone asks, is it okay to enter? Answer go ahead. When someone asks, should I begin? Answer go ahead. When someone asks, can I take it? Answer go ahead. When someone asks, can I call you later? Answer sure. When someone asks, may I join you? Answer of course. When someone asks, is this okay? Answer sure. When someone asks, can I try it? Answer of course. Student asks, can I use the computer now? Teacher answers, yes, you can, go ahead. This combines two permission phrases naturally. The teacher gives clear double approval. Friend asks, can I borrow your notes? You answer sure, go ahead. Sure shows casual agreement first. Go ahead encourages the action immediately. Never say you can yes, always say yes you can. Never say ahead go, always say go ahead. Never say permission give I, always say sure go ahead. Never say can you sure, always say of course you can. Smile and make eye contact when giving permission. Match the other person's tone and energy. Use friendly gestures with your words. Practice these phrases every day in real conversations.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.